Okay, Year 12, another video. Loan repayment tables. Nice, easy one today, really. Look, what you've really got to be careful of is to read the details here. Read the details in the question, but particularly these are going to involve tables. Make sure that you read the description of the table very carefully. Okay, so in this example here, and we're going to learn this with an example, it says this is the monthly repayment for every $1,000 borrowed. Now, they won't always be the monthly repayment. It won't always be per $1,000. There's all sorts of ways that we could vary these. But this one, right, you read that and it says it's the monthly repayment for $1,000 borrowed. I want to find out if someone borrows $26,000 at 8% per annum for a 4-year term. Here's my 8% per annum. Here's my 4-year term. Okay, that suggests to me then that for every $1,000 borrowed, not every thousand, or not every dollar, every $1,000, every month, $24.41 will have to be paid back. So the monthly repayment is going to be 26 lots of this, right? Because there's 26 lots of 1,000. So for A, I'm going to do 26 by 24.41. Then I'm going to press pause and work this out because you don't need to see me use the calculator. Right, 26. Lots of that figure there from the table, $634.66. That's the monthly repayment on the car. Right, so that's A done. For B, how much extra have they paid for the car? How much interest have they paid? That's what interest means. Right, well, I've got to work out a couple of things. I've got to work out how much they pay altogether. Now, it's a $26,000 car, so it's going to be the difference between what they pay and $26,000. To work out what they pay in total, it's going to be the $634.66, right, their monthly repayment, times 12, that's how much they pay in 1 year, times 4 is how much they're going to pay in 4 years, right? And that figure equals, $30,463.68. Is it 38? Oh, geez. Let me have a look. I don't want to get it wrong. 68. 63, 68. Ah, close. That's the total amount they pay. It's more than $26,000. What a surprise, right? They're going to pay extra. So my interest is going to be equal to that figure, $30,463.68 minus $26,000. That means how much extra do they pay? How much interest do they pay? They pay $4,000, $463.68. Okay, that's it. That's that question done. That's all the example there is for this lesson. Now, if we were to extend this a little further, I could ask something like, what was the equivalent flat rate of interest that this family paid for the car, the Faversham family? Well, in which case I would divide that by 4 to work out how much interest they pay per year. I would divide that by the principal, and that will give me the interest rate. Yep, as a simple interest, right? Flat rate of interest, equivalent flat rate of interest. I'm not asking that. That's all you need to do. A, B. Okay, please watch the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Jot down any questions. Make sure you ask me. I'll see you in class.